Meaning of illness.
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 Illness. The term illness refers to a state of poor health, either physically or mentally. It typically involves a disruption in the normal functioning of the body or mind, causing discomfort, pain, or distress. Illness can be caused by a variety of factors, including infection, injury, genetic predisposition, environmental factors, or lifestyle choices. Its symptoms and severity can vary widely, from mild and temporary to chronic and debilitating. Effectively treating illness may require medical intervention, such as medication, therapy, or surgery, as well as making lifestyle changes to improve overall health and well-being.